Hi, I'm the word historian, and this is the etymology of Stefan and quirk. I've had a couple of requests, Stefan by Stefan and quirk by Cindy. Oh, and most of my viewers are not subscribers, so if you like this video, like and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. Thank you and enjoy the video. First off, Stefan is a male given name, and quirk is defined as a peculiar behavioral habit. But you knew that, didn't you? So where did Stefan and quirk come from? Stefan comes from the Greek name Stephanos, which is derived from the Greek word Stephanos, meaning wreath or crown. The name was first used by Saint Stephen, who was famous for being stoned to death after denouncing the Jewish authorities, which made him the first martyr of the Christian faith. The name Stephen has forms in almost all major languages in the world, and the name Stefan is the Germanic pronunciation, which is used in German, Dutch, Norwegian, Swedish, Danish, Ukrainian, Bulgarian, and Serbian. Now on to quirk. In the 1560s, quirk meant quibble or evasion, but the word has an unknown origin. One source says the word might have something to do with the German word queer, which in the 1500s meant strange, peculiar, and eccentric, but the earliest form of quirk was used in Western England, which seems to go against this notion. Oh, an interesting fact, queer didn't start referring to homosexuality until 1922. Quirk started to refer to peculiarity in the 1600s and has been used in this sense ever since. What do you think about Stefan and quirk? Oh, and if you have any requests for future words, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Oh, and ring that bell for notifications. I hope you learned something new. This was the etymology of Stefan and quirk. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.